Home to more than 220 million people, Pakistan is the world's fifth most populous country. With some of the highest penetration numbers of mobile, cellular, and internet subscriptions in the developing world, Pakistan now has over 100 million high-speed broadband internet connections. This has been possible due to the progressive policies of the government of Pakistan to facilitate, enhance, improve, and expand information technology and telecom sector. The Digital Pakistan initiative is the embodiment of government's vision to leverage the power of IT and telecom to accelerate economic development, transparency, social progress, and acquaint the youth with emerging digital technology skills. This remarkable adoption of broadband internet is changing how everyday tasks are performed by making processes easier, services more accessible, and helping businesses run efficiently. Recent rapid and widespread adoption of new apps and solutions offered by businesses and tech startups signifies economic growth at grassroots level, providing livelihood to millions. Broadband access is enabling young people to make a living through freelancing, e-commerce, and social media platforms. Innovative new banking and payment solutions are enabled by widespread broadband adoption. Farmers around Pakistan are embracing the digital change. Innovative new methods to leverage IT are rapidly being developed to massively enhance productivity of the agriculture sector. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the telecom sector provided sustained, affordable, and reliable connectivity. PTA, through Universal Service Fund and government policies, is shifting the focus of the telecom operators from urban to rural and far-flung areas to provide broadband, optic fiber, and e-services and bridge the digital divide. Pakistan Telecommunication Authority is at the helm of the broadband revolution. The only fourth-generation regulator in South Asia, it has laid the foundation of a modern and robust telecom sector in Pakistan. Since telecom sector deregulation, PTA has successfully undertaken significant operations, auctions for licenses and spectrum, attracting global attention to Pakistan's telecom sector, implementing device identification registration and blocking system, complaint redressal system for the telecom sector, and ensuring quality of service for the users over the years. PTA is working on expanding connectivity in farthest of the far-flung areas of the country, including Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. It is overseeing expansion in optical fiber network nationwide, including 820 kilometers optical fiber link with China and submarine cable systems connecting Pakistan. With activity already initiated on 5G technology, Internet of Things, mobile device manufacturing, and more, the government of Pakistan and PTA is on its way to take Pakistan even further in the journey of digital transformation. Our destiny, a connected Pakistan. Digital Pakistan.